I was gifted this travel backpack, and this has quickly become my go-to for trips. If you're someone who wants one bag that can do everything, this is honestly one of the most functional backpacks I've used. The first thing I noticed is how it opens like a suitcase with that full clamshell design, so you can actually see everything instead of digging around. There are so many compartments, but in a way that actually makes sense. There's a separate space for shoes, a padded section for a laptop and iPad, plus smaller pockets for things like chargers, passports, and anything you want to keep easy to grab. There are even a few hidden pockets, which I really like for travel. It also has a wet and dry section, which is super helpful if you're packing toiletries or anything damp, and the side pockets easily fit larger water bottles, which is always a must for me. The material feels really durable and water resistant, and the zippers are smooth but feel secure. It also has that USB charging port built in, which is convenient when you're on the go. Once I start packing it, that's where it really shines. Because it opens flat, I can lay everything out, clothes, shoes, accessories, and organize it almost like a suitcase. I was able to fit multiple outfits, my shoes, and all my essentials without it feeling overstuffed. It's also really comfortable to wear. The straps are padded and the back panel has good airflow, so it doesn't feel heavy or uncomfortable even when it's full. And if you're using a suitcase, the strap on the back lets it slide right over the handle, which makes moving through the airport so much easier. Overall, this just feels like a really well thought out travel bag. It keeps everything organized, holds a lot more than you'd expect, and makes packing way less stressful. I've already started reaching for it over my regular luggage.